Bali travel vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Bali. Woo. Handsome. Hello.
Welcome to Bali.
Give me 5, brother, sister. Whoa, give me 5. Woo. Enjoy your holiday. Wow. Hello. G'day, mate.
Welcome to Bali Travel Vlog.
Hello, guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch.
Check it out.
Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali, the shopping center area in Legian Bali. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali, just make sure watch the video until the end. Yeah, overview today start from the north area at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, looks so busy over there. It's good. It's quite busy, isn't it? Okay, let me show you how busy Garlic Lane Legian Bali today. Halo, wah, gadis Bali, cantik-cantik, satu gatal-gatal. Okay, let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. Welcome to Bali, brother. Woo. Handsome boy. Across the street left side, also a few trees over there. They're just so good. Yeah, let's see together how busy Garlic Lane Legian Bali today. I hope we will see a lot of tourists in this area. Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali.
Which one are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
You watching my video?
YouTube?
Yeah, in my YouTube. I just make YouTube.
Yeah.
Bali travel vlog.
I want you. Yeah.
You
I want you.
Thank you, brother, for watching my video.
Bali travel blog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Push the like button down the bottom. That's it. And follow him.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow, still watching my video. That's good. Woo. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Woo. Handsome. Woo. That's good. They're watching my video. That's good. Love it. Thank you very much for watching my video, mate. Okay, let's keep continue walking at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Should be a lot of tourists today because now is shopping time. After lunch, they are doing shopping usually. Hello. Across the street we call Suriwati Hotel. My viewer from Australia, his name is her name is Crystal, sorry, but yeah, she was there. Sorry, my English I lose because I have to remember my viewer's name. Welcome to Bali. Welcome. I'm good, man. Thank you. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? Have good bintang. Wow, it's good. Where do you come from?
Australia.
First time? First time come to Bali? So easy.
Born in England.
Oh, born in England. Wow. Hanging stone, yeah? Hang stone. Hang stone in Holland. In England. Stonehenge. Ah, sorry. My English very bad.
Yorkshire. It's like a mess area.
It's better. It's better. Hello.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Ah, that is my word. Yeah, I might show you my YouTube for sure. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. My YouTube is Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you. Enjoy day. They come from Australia, but they are stay. They was born in England. Wow. Wow, quite busy. The local restaurant, busy as usually. Woohoo. Hello. Wow. Narrow road. So narrow. Ooh, hello. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow. Oh, from French. From French? C'est bon, c'est bon. Magnifique, magnifique. Magnifique smile. Across street, you see? A lot of tourists over there too. That's good. It's quite busy, isn't it? Hey, Mark. Kiora. Give me 5, brother, sister. Whoa, give me 5. Woo. $1. Across the street also, if you tourists over there, it's quite busy, isn't it? That's good. $1. Oh, sorry. $1 man.
Come on, man. Very good. Yeah, I know. Last year.
$1 man. $1. Hello, how are you? Okay, let's keep continue walking on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Yeah, not so bad, isn't it? I think it's last video when I made video in this area, not really busy like today, but today it's getting more busier compared with a few days ago. Just getting better. That's good. Getting better. English people say just getting better. Billy's 69 Sport Bar. Also Legian Sport Bar at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Yeah, pictures over there is good. What do you think about Garlic Lane Legian Bali today? You know, really busy, but getting better, isn't it? That's just really good. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Garlic Lane Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street. Woo. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday. Wow. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Yeah. Enjoy your holiday, mate. Wow. Very small road, narrow. Wow. Quite busy, that's good. Hello. Big party. Bintang. If French people say bintong, not bintang, bintong, bintong. So many bintong. Yeah, finally we already make video at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. So what do you think, brother? It's getting better, isn't it? Okay. If I turn right, there is we call Kmart. Maybe if you want to know how like Kmart, just over there. And I already made video at Kmart around 2 months ago, so you can find video down this video. Wait. Okay guys, so this is our new today in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. So what do you think? Getting better, isn't it? That's good. Yeah, now we are at the Legian Art Market. Let me show you how busy in this area today. Oh, sorry. Hello. Not so bad, isn't it? Getting busier, even at the Legian Art Market. More tourists in this area today. It's good.
I have more inside than just only one.
Okay guys, so this is our new today in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ooh.